Good morning, traders. It is my joy and pleasure being with you on this spectacular, magnificent Thursday morning. Here are our students this morning sharing how magnificent trading was this morning as I keep receiving email and posts from students. As Brett states, incredible stuff this morning. Good morning. Absolutely. As Don is sharing, 20 points on Dow of support. As Funk supporting Richard killing it, finalizing, doubling his demo, $50,000. Listen to podcast from Rich. Next, Rich is going live, doubling demo within a couple of weeks. That's the power of the system. Every trader different experience, every trader different account. Brad is trading large account. No one knows what account size Don trades. 4.5 points on S&P. $250. One lot. 2,500, 10 lots. $5,000 on 20 lots. Pablo, complete beginner trader, listen to podcast. Never pushed a button on his computer. Never pushed a button on trading platform. Now professional trader. 4 points yes, 1 lot $200, 10 lots $2,000. Surge, music to my ears. First post from Surge, 99 points on Dow. I have no idea of account size, of Surge, of Pablo, of Brett. I do not know. Every trader different account, every trader different instrument. Dow $5 per tick, 100 points on Dow. $500 on 1 lot, $5,000 on 10 lots. Fang, boom, trading last night. 90 points last night, 140 points this morning. How many points do you need? What you need is quality. 230 points on Dow, $5 per tick. Do the math, please. Mel, 3 points on S&P. Jason, 4 points on gold. Ken, legend, coming back to say hello. Bitcoin, 272%. Movie maker on lockdown in Scotland, as he says, busy making movie. You can see movie about his life on our homepage. 143 option trades on Bitcoin and various stocks. And that's the community of incredible traders in 57 countries in the last 10 years who are trading micro account, mega account, multi-million, billion-dollar account. You're looking at beginner traders. You're looking at hedge fund managers. You're looking at exact same system I taught to JP Morgan trader that retail traders trade. Their stories is a reason I love what I do, as everyone does so well. So let's take a look at what played out. Let's take a look at the power of the system, shall we? And why today is spectacular morning, but yesterday was brutal. That's how price will test you to the core every single day. Every single one of these buy points since November 12th is institutional buy point from critical support. This continues non-stop. Institutions adding to their longs. Stunning, flawless. Ultimate, another buy point here. Here. This is breathtaking. But it doesn't matter what chart you trade. It's absolutely your choice. When scanner give you alert at this zone, at these levels, you enjoy. Do not complicate trading and you know many hours in advance, many days in advance where you want to take position. Let me convert this chart to 5 so you can see. It is flawless this morning. It is stunning. And if I squeeze this chart on 5 minutes, all of these are institutional buy points that day trader enjoys with power. November 12th and 13th the best. Today's second best. Intelligent trader never entering into, never ever ever, Alpha Fibonacci resistance. Now massive junk, now is nothing. Intelligent trader on sidelines. But if you decide to trade 1 minute, of course, choice is yours. Rules are met, take a trade. You're trading with institutions, not against them. Every single trader applies identical system on different instruments, on different accounts. You're looking at traders who have few $1,000 account, and you're looking at traders who are managing multi-million and multi-billion-dollar account. You're looking at a trader who is 80 years old in Florida, who is 55 years old in New Jersey. You're looking at traders who started and struggled for 20 years. You're looking at hedge fund manager in the Middle East. You're looking at trader and movie maker in London. This is community only one morning. That's it. All I'm asking you, make an effort. It is that simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. In trading, you decide to be Goldman trader, to trade with institutions using this chart most of all. Because when I work with institutional traders, they're holding position for weeks, months, and years. With Alpha Fibonacci system, you knew many months in advance that this was ultimate buy point. Let me remind you the importance of this. Trading the price, not the noise. As the biggest bullish rally in 47 years, taking a major pause. So if my traders can do this well in such challenging market conditions, imagine what they can do when markets are easy. When institutions entering markets at the bottom. Every day 20, 30, 50 trades. This is easy. This is a breeze. This is ultimate entries. This is difficult. Students who making an effort showing you every day. The skies are the limit. So what would your life be if you knew in advance? Institutional buy point. What if your life be if you knew in advance where to expect the crash? Let me remind you what the price looked like before sell-off. This is stunning and flawless reminder of S&P reaching Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone a year ago, traders. Intelligent trader understands you need to pay attention to your investments, to your long-term positions, because if you don't, this is what happens 2 months later. Oops. Have you lost sleep? Have you listened to panic? Have you heard negativity? Have you heard complete hysteria? Walmart trader losing sleep. Walmart investor in panic. Goldman trader is excited. Crushes opportunity. This is stunning, ultimate possibility when price would reach ultimate institutional buy point. This is when work starts next. When on March 23rd, ultimate support is reached. However, on the news is panic. On the news it's Black Thursday. On the chart, institutions buying market viciously as they've been doing so on the way down. So if you understand, the top 1% owns the news. You're trading with them. You're not paying attention to the noise. You're taking advantage of the biggest rally ever. Trading as Goldman, not Walmart trader. Walmart trader chasing indicators. Walmart trader chasing cheap strategies, cheap fixes. Goldman trader does not. JP Morgan trader does not have time for junk. Has time only for pure price. You will never have anything else. You only need this. And if you do, the sky's the limit. Institutional support remains respected. Institutions keep adding to their longs. Intelligent Alpha Fibonacci position trader and day trader doing quite well in all market conditions. All in advance, never after the fact. That's it. And that's a reminder of stunning vertical rally during the worst economic and COVID crisis. My incredible traders doing quite well. All they do, trade with institutions and not against them. Right now, at this particular moment, nothing is happening on the chart. This is a software and day trading chart. This is junk. My traders are done. How long did you trade it this morning, Alphys? Can you please do share? How long is your trading morning today? This morning work day, 10 minutes. Not 11 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, boom, 1 hour. You don't need to work more than 10 hours per week maximum with Alpha Fibonacci system. Flawless. Can just close Bitcoin trade, not day trading. Filming a movie. Jason, 30 minutes, 29 minutes waiting for the price to reach support, 1 minute in a trade. Boom. That's the power of the system. You operate as a sniper. You operate as Goldman trader. You're focusing on pure price only. You are not chasing junky indicators. You understand that every indicator developed after the price only. That's it. And that's community of incredible traders with very powerful system traded globally from beginner to hedge fund manager. And that's how traders supporting each other. And that's how we expanding our community from beginner to hedge fund manager, from Florida to London to Saudi Arabia. Traders trading it all on any instrument they choose. All I'm asking you, make an effort. Do what these traders do. Trade markets with respect. Turn off your gambling switch. Obey the rules. And if you do, the skies are the limit. You will be operating your own hedge fund in no time. And that's who I mentor, teaching identical strategy as I taught to JP Morgan trader. So if you're ready to start 2021 as Goldman Trader, I look forward to working with you. I teach you identical system I teach to Wall Street traders. I expect you to show the same exact results if you make an effort and if you do what I tell you. Because if these traders can do it, so can you. Pablo, complete beginner trader. Ken, you just saw him in the room. You just saw Brad. You saw these traders. Listen to their podcasts. This is a movie Ken has made about his journey. This is what traders do. Choose from 4 options available. Lifetime system with 3 months course, group course for any platform or Ninja 8. Private mentoring, maximum 4 months. 99% of my private mentoring students finishing private mentoring within 2 months. I hold your hand, I spell out 1, 2, 3, 4, take a trade. Can you do that? With institutions? Pretty please. It is that simple. No junky indicators, no junky anything. Pure price only. That's all you will ever need. Sign up anytime, view the videos. And when you do, obey the rules and come to live classes and live trading room. It's all included. And my incredible software developer, who is a graduate of the course, who works with me daily, will hold your hand, will help you set up software if you choose to take the option for Ninja 8. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.